What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the ShareFactory, how to use the themes in your PlayStation 4. ShareFactory, I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the screen, and then you just on the ShareFactory, go to the ShareFactory application. Here's the ShareFactory. Wait. And go to the new project. After ShareFactory, go to the new project. Here we are, new project, and then here is the themes. And if you want to download a new one, go to the new themes and you automatically go to the store. And here is the free themes. You can add it a free and a download a free themes. Here we go. You can download it and add it to your recording or editing. If you want to download it, which one you want. And I'm already downloaded some, so I'm just going to add the theme in my clip, my editing clip. Here I'm just going to add it and press the secure button, and let's go. Here you just have your some theme clips. You can add your clip inside, in the center, in the start, in the end, which one you want. How do you want? You just simply add it, and these are the themes. That's how the ShareFactory themes will work on your PlayStation 4 ShareFactory simply. And after that you just edit your clip and exit without saving or saving. You just save it. So simply that's how you can use the themes on your ShareFactory on your PlayStation 4. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.